friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, Shakuntlam classes exclusively for B.Ed studies. Today going to discuss 30 questions from English pedagogy, and if my videos are helpful for you, please share it among your friends so that it can help them as well, as your exams are getting closer and English exam is going to be conducted on 8th of October. So share it among your friends as much as possible. So let's get started with the first question. What developed to the reaching of the grammar translation method? Options are option A, the direct method, option B, the indirect method, option C, the inductive method, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer will be option A, direct method. Coming on to question 2, the direct method emphasizes on which value of training in learning a foreign language. Option A, oral, option B, mental, option C, physical, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option number A, oral. Coming on to question number 3, since language is taught through demonstrations, the direct method makes use of options are option A, audio visual aids, option B, maps, option C, pointer, and option D, flashcards. So the correct answer will be option A, audio visual aids. Coming on to the next question, according to whom the direct method makes the reading of English literature easy? Option A, Champion, option B, AC Watts, option C, FG French, and option D, none. So the correct answer will be option A, Champion. According to Champion, the direct method makes the reading of English literature easy. The next question is, using a flashcard in the classroom is option A technique, option B method, option C procedure, and option D none of these. So the correct answer will be option A technique. Using a flash card in a classroom is a technique. Coming on to the next question, the bilingual method was adopted by whom? Option A, Dr. C.G. Dodson, option B, A.C. Watts, option C, F.G. French, and option D, Otto Jespersen. So the correct answer will be option A, Dr. C.G. Dodson. So the bilingual method was adopted by Dr. C.G. Dodson. Coming on to the next question, in the direct method, what is noticed? Options are option A, the mother tongue, option B, English, option C, vernacular, and option D, colloquial. So the correct answer for this question will be option A, the mother tongue. In the direct method, the mother tongue is noticed. Coming on to the next question, the system of language function through sound, words, and what? Options are option A, communication, option B, structure, option C, skill, and option D, idea. So the correct answer for this question will be option A, communication. Coming on to the next question, what is the fundamental thing in the language learning? Options are option A, speech, option B, reading, option C, listening, and option D, writing. So the correct answer will be option A, speech is the fundamental thing in the language learning. Coming on to the next question, language is a system of phonetics, grammar, and what? Option A, vocabulary, option B, structures, option C, patterns, and option D, methods. So the correct answer will be language is a system of phonetics, grammar and vocabulary. Option A is the correct answer. Coming on to the next question, the main purpose of language is option A communication, option B translation, option C evocation and option D gradation. So the correct answer is the main purpose of language is communication. Coming on to the next question, since language is changing, we should teach option A descriptive grammar, option B prescriptive grammar, option C traditional grammar, and option D linguistic grammar. So the correct answer will be, since language is changing, we should teach descriptive grammar. Coming on to the next question, the regional varieties of a language are called as, options are option A dialects, option B registers, option C vernaculars, and option D colloquial. So the correct answer is, the regional varieties of a language are called as option A dialects. Coming on to the next question, English is the mother tongue of how many people in the world? Options are 300 million, option B 200 million, option C 500 million, and option C 600 million. So the correct answer will be option A 300 million. English is the mother tongue of 300 million people in the world. Coming on to the next question, English is spoken by how many people in the world? Option A 400 million, option B 600 million, option C 700 million, and option D 4500 million. So the correct answer will be option A 400 million. English is spoken by around 400 million people in the world. So option A will be your correct answer. Coming on to question 17. One out of how many person in the world know English? Option A 10, option B 5, option C 8, and option D 6. So the correct answer will be option A 10. Out of 10% in the world know English. Coming on to the next question. English is one of the 6 official languages as of option A UNO, option B ILO, option C UNESCO, and option D ITO. So the correct answer will be, English is one of the 6 official languages as of option A UNO. Coming on to the next question, in the words of whom, anyone who can read English can keep in touch with the whole world without leaving his own home. Option A F.G. French, option B Jespersen, option D Edward Spin, and option D Bloomfield. So the correct answer is option A F.G. French. Coming on to question number 20. What involves active cognitive processing of the spoken form of the language? Options are option A listening, option B reading, option C speaking, and option D writing. So the correct answer will be option A listening. Coming on to the next question, who called English a window of the modern world and a key that would unlock the vast treasures of all the scientific and humanistic fields? Options are option A J.L. Nehru, option B V.R. Gorakh, option C R.N. Tagore, and option D Mahatma Gandhi. So the correct answer will be option A Jawaharlal Nehru. Coming on to the next question, the word examination is derived from the Latin word option A examen, option B examen, option C examen, and option D examen. So the correct answer will be option number B examen. Coming on to question number 23, examinations are more blank than tests. Option A reliable, option B valid, option C usable, and option D exhaustive. So the correct answer will be option D. Examinations are more exhaustive than tests. Next question is unit test is an expression of blank evaluation. Option A normative, option B effective, option B formative, and option D conative. So the correct answer will be option C. Unit test is an expression of formative evaluation. Coming on to the next question. Language teaching implies three operations: language, teaching, and blank. Option A learning, option B skill, option C process, and option D nature. Language teaching implies three operations that are language, teaching, and learning. Coming on to the next question, language is a means of option A communication, option B human life, option C methodology, and option D skill. So the correct answer is language is a means of option A communication. The next question is question number 27. The function of language is option A 3, option B 2, option C 5, and option D 4. So the correct answer is the function of language is 3 in number. Coming on to the next question, the three functions of language are directive, informative, and blank. Options are declarative, option B emotive, option C expressive, and option D imperative. So the correct answer is the three functions of a language are directive, informative, and option A declarative. So option A is your correct answer. Coming on to question 29. Picture enhances which kind of learning? Options are option A output, option B input, option C quality, and option D interest. So picture enhances, option D interest. Coming on to the last question, which is question number 30. What is CALP? Cognitive, academic, cognitive academic, language, proficiency. So CALP stands for cognitive, academic, language proficiency. CALP basically deals with the language which is necessary to understand the content in the classroom. Okay? Examples are writing an essay and expressing things verbally and verbal and in written mode. So this was the concept of CALP, and I hope you have understood better. And if you haven't understood anything in this session, you can tell me in the comment section. I will try my best to explain you in my next video. So two terms are important related to your English pedagogy. One is BICS and the other one is CALP. About BICS I have told in my previous videos. You can check out from my playlist from your channel Shakuntlam classes. And before I end, I would like to quote, to earn the best days of life, you need to fight with the difficult days of struggle. I hope you all are preparing well. Take care and all the best for your exam. And please like, share, and subscribe to Shakuntlam classes. Thank you.